Imam en zelo stupid meme, ki ga lahko... Ni zdaj pomemben. Anyway.
No.
To the seme...
Share with the world.
Share, yes.
Share with the world.
When you have very...
Mi smo lahko NSFW.
If you have peak sexual tension... My favorite meme is, veš, kaj imaš gas stove? Kaj ga imaš gas in je tako... Eči, in je eči, as in eči, in bo je un kanji for getting hard. Ko sem ga prvič videl, sem bil like, this is the most stupid meme that got ingrained into my brain cell and I don't remember.
Mogo biti tako, eči, iku.
Ne. It's the tension before.
Yes.
You're not just gonna come from the...
I mean.
You can't just from the... You need the build-up, guys!
Of course.
This is why...
Še premature, ne?
This is why you guys don't understand what is peak horny. This is why you need the Fujoshi.
Fujoshi to tell me.
Tell me more, sensei, I need to learn.
Teach me your ways.
If you know my ways, you can please your girlfriend. No, I'm joking.
You can only please yourself.
Točno tako, napnite
That's the
ušesa.
most important
Listen.
thing.
Najbolj pomembna sekcija današnjega podcasta, tako da prosim res poslušajte.
Tale kava je kriva, da lahko.
Rabi se pripravi, to bo zdaj
Namaže jezik.
PG-21.
Hočem reči, vibriram. To je moja druga kava danes.
Vibrato.
Prej sem že 2 šota espressota.
A 2 šota?
2 šota?
Espressota.
Okay, zato danes lahko govorim.
Zato da danes lahko govorim, ker če jaz sem takole. Most of the day in pa ob 3 zjutraj začnem risati.
Danes bo cel internet spoznal posem drugo plat, a ne? Ker na internetu ne obstaja
koliko
še.
interneta je vsem.
I have 2 accounts, like every sensible person does.
Ampak nihče je ni povezal s tabo, right? No.
I hope not.
Marko, ti si povezal?
Če si na Mako, no, you know, jaz imam ta drugo vizitko s sabo. For the Fujoshi side. But I don't want that. I already had drama on the internet. Jaz sem samo postala moje stvari in ljudi so se začeli že pritoževati, da imam problematic šipe. And I'm like, my man, I'm hurting no one. Those are 2D pixels. Who are you protecting? No one! 2D pixels! You're protecting 2D pixels! Calm your tits! Go touch some grass! Eat dirt!
Ok, torej ti ne zagovarjaš tega, kak ne rečem, ne protektaš teh mladoletnih, kdorkoli likov, ki so v, exposeni and stuff, sploh v kakih PG zadevah.
I mean, that's stinky.
You know what I mean? Posebej v aerogamih imaš lahko loli, ki je vprašljive starosti.
I mean, 1000 let imajo.
Okay, that's...
Exactly.
Honestly...
Mislim, ker tukaj se je, seveda zdaj imamo vse mogoče cancel kulture in nekateri pač protektajo to. Kako se Protect.
Okay, in my opinion, there is not much to protect because those are... fictional characters.
Exactly. Finally, somebody stands.
But on the other hand, I understand the ick. It's stinky because I'm like, why are you thirsting for a little child? That's kind of gross, man. But okay, you do you. I know that most men prefer very young lollies statistically because if you go to strip shows, the more childish a person looks, the more the person is gonna get tips from men.
Loli je vedno pač nekak motiv v vseh teh harem anime.
I technically think yes, it's stinky. It gives me the ick. I'm like, leave that poor child alone. But on the other hand, if you're gonna sexualize a child, at least you're doing to a fictional child and you're not touching physical
technically people. Loli niso otroci, so samo pač punce, ki so odrasle, ampak zgledajo pač njihova konstitucija je bolj childlike, right?
No. Loli is a very big term. If you look like a child, if you're a child or not, doesn't matter.
Je že loli, okay.
But to je še en full velik topic.
I
didn't even explain the seme and uke.
Okay.
We need to open... To Pandorino skrinjico moramo najprej odspreti in potem drugo. Ja.
To bom zelo na kratko. In English imaš top, bottom in imaš dom, sub.
Ja.
Ki sta dva različna terma. Sam zato, ker si top, ne pomeni, da si dom. Dom in sub je about dynamic, top in sub je pa about physical, who's getting...
Right. Pozicija.
Technically je pozicija, pa ne fizična pozicija, ampak who's getting it. Je top, bottom, dom, sub je pa about the dynamic. Dom is the one that's like kinda guiding the whole thingy and basically doing most of the work so that the sub is pleased. But the sub is usually the one that is like, hey, I would like this kind of thing to happen.
Okay.
And the
Eno
dom
je
is
bolj
like,
fizično,
okay.
druge bolj čustveno.
Ja, je čustveno. Ja.
Ne? Bolj čustvena dominacija.
It's like čustveno, top sub. Pa kaj ni nujno, da si dominanten, samo zato, ker si top, a ne? Lahko si submissive top. But when it comes to seme and uke, seme is both top and dom, and uke is both sub and a bottom.
Today I learned.
The problem is that because it's the same word for physical and mental, da potem rečeš, okay, he is physically sure a seme, but in his heart he's a uke. And it's like, ni toliko uporabna beseda, ni toliko ločeno, kot v angliščini, nažalost. Zato, ker ta term so rekli, ok, vsi seme morajo biti in top in dom in vsi uke morajo biti in... Tako...
Obožujem, kako je investirana v to znanost.
It's important, guys!
No, mislim, dejansko je sploh, ko smo prvič vstopili v anime sceno, mislim, vse punce so govorile samo o teh terminih.
Ja,
se mi zdi, so dejansko malo zapadli ali pa, ne vem, se ne odpirajo več v toliko openly v teh krogih, ampak verjetno v teh svojih zaprtih krogih so še vedno pač zelo živi, si predstavljam.
It is very important when you want to roleplay your characters, even in chat or in...
Tudi če rišeš recimo nek svoj dojinši, moraš vedno vzpostaviti to dinamiko med glavnima karakterja. Vedno si predstavljam, da imaš nek love interest, pa...
To je...
odvisno
od založbe, je odvisno od kdo je kdo je pač ta v bistvu target audience. Če je young adult, boš šel bolj v soft stvari, ampak boš šel v bolj te klasične stvari. Ok, seme is dom and top, bottom is sub and bottom. Mislim, da je...
Torej, bojslov lahko postane zelo hardcore, lahko že meji na...
BL je...
Ali je to vedno v nekih okvirjih?
Razložim razliko med BL pa yaoi.
Ja, prosim.
Yaoi, basically.
Yaoi just means porn without plot. Yaoi je short for yama nashi, ochi nashi, imi nashi. Torej, yama, no climax. Ochinashi, no ending, iminashi, no point. So it's porn without plot means yaoi. It was just used in gay romance, gay whatever. Je najbolj popularno, ampak je internet slang za porn without plot.
Torej, to je še hujš kot hentai.
Ne, je žanr od hentai.
Kako bi bilo hujš od hentai?
Ja, kak hentai
ima plot,
kaj uporabljajo?
Meče pa magijo.